This is how I shape a marzipan stollen. Scatter flour all over a large lined baking sheet and place your stollen dough in the middle. Flour a rolling pin and then roll it out into a large oval, about 25 to 30 centimetres long. Take your marzipan and roll it into a long log. Set the marzipan aside and then using a thin rolling pin, make an indentation along one side of the dough. Place the marzipan inside and then make an indentation with the rolling pin on the other side of the dough. Fold the dough over to completely enclose the marzipan and then pat down on either side with your hands and the rolling pin to create a hump, a little bit like a camel's hump. Remove any raisins from the top because they might burn, and then let the dough rise for 1 hour before transferring to the oven to bake.